to Yeorobun, it's me Sky, and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I created this very sexy sultry look that is very perfect for your Valentine's date night or Valentine's virtual date. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I already prepped my face, and as you can see, I'm done with applying the corrector, and I also did my brows. So now we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the foundation, and I am gonna mix this Luxe Organix Miracle Repair Serum with my foundation, and it works like magic. So you guys check this out. So this is my foundation, Miracle Repair Serum, just like so. So now that we're already done with the base, I'm just gonna go do a little highlight. I'm going to use this Nichido Final Powder Infinity Glow. I'm gonna up that in onto the sides of my eyes, like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the blush. I'm gonna use this Colourette Colourtint in the shade LOLA. Very near the contour, and just blend it in like so. I love this! Woo! Just like that. And with the sponge. How have you guys been doing? I mean, I don't think you would watch this if you don't have a husband, but same girl, and I feel you. Now we will be proceeding to the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using this Vice Cosmetics in BB21. It's in the shade Dull, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna use this brush. Just carefully blending everything in. Like that, in a circular motion. Onto the sides, like the outer V, like that. Just keep on blending. Love it. Now, after using the shade, we're going to go ahead and proceed to proceed shade. This one. Darken up things a bit. Like right here. Blend it out. This shade, the name of the shade is Ahok, and we're gonna smudge it right here. Like so. And apply the eyeliner. I don't want to take it like all the way. I'm just gonna take it in here, and then we're gonna add a little bit in here. You want it just halfway. Okay girl, I'll see ya. Now that we're done with the liner, I'm just gonna apply my Paulash falsies. You know, this stuff is not absolutely perfect, but I kind of want to add like a white eyeshadow right there. On the same palette, I'm gonna use this shimmery shade. Kind of want to add like a little bit in my inner corner. I love this look. Now that we're done, like I said, I'm gonna apply my Paulash falsies. I mean, look at the falsies. Like this is before and this is after, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put like the other one, and I'll be back. Since I feel like there is still something missing, I want to go ahead and go back with the eyeshadow palette and just literally use like this dark shade and then blend it in with the lash line. We're almost done with everything. I just want to remove this powder. It's like right in here, and ooh, look at that. The girl said lifted. We're moving down to the left, and I'm gonna use this Colourette Supramatte and the shade Cupid, exactly for the heart thing. Now we're gonna go ahead with the highlighter and Glitz Bish in the shade Spark, and I put the highlighter in there on the bridge of my nose, side of my eyes. Girl, she was popping. Then afterwards, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the shade Roasted. Still from have a glowing goddess, girl. Now that we're all set, I'm just gonna change into my clothes and fix my hair, and then I'll be back. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you do like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Always remember that God is greater than highs and lows. Keep safe and stay healthy as always, and happy Valentines, Yeorobun!